Hey everyone, Steffi from LoneRider. Welcome back to another quick tip video. If you end up in a situation where your coach bolt doesn't really grab anymore to the rails, so it rotates on itself, I'll show you what you can do. First of all, make sure your assembly is correct. First thing you have is the coach bolt, then the big washer, then the little ring, and then the nut. I take that apart because it's a bit easier to demonstrate it when you take it off. So here we go. What you do is make sure your washer, the big washer, is on. Feed your bolt through and bring it into roughly into position where you need it. Then you do the same with the next one. Put it together like that. Put the little tension rings on it. And your nuts. And bolt it loosely down. If you have a problem, because the bolt here, like this one, you see, it turns. Not to worry, you just put the first one in place, who stops that moving around. Assemble it as usual. Ring, bolt. Hold with one finger the bolt in place and then slightly tighten it. Now, if you are like me and you have marked where the fittings go, then you can tighten it up. Otherwise, all you do is keep that a bit loose and use that as your tensioner, and then you can still move it around and make it fit to your bike. If you are in the unfortunate situation and you're on a trip and you lose one of these bolts, don't worry too much, because these bolts are easily replaceable with any kind of bolt who really fit the nut, or even use a different nut. Push it in again. This one definitely will not grab. Same here. Put the fitting back on. Assemble it as usual. There you go. And do exactly the same thing. Put it back into place where you know it fits, because you have your markers on it, and then just tighten it up with your wrench and you're good to go. I hope this helped you to resolve the issue with the rotating bolts. If you still need some spares, check out the little plastic bag you got when you purchased your motor bags. There are some bolts included. Otherwise, go to our website www.lonerider-motorcycle.com. There you find all the information and spare parts for your equipment. Until next time, guys, ride safe. Bye.